It's touching the clouds! Isn't it beautiful, Minnie? Beep! Beep! Whoa! The wind is getting really strong! It's pulling too hard! I can't control it! Oh no! Oh no! My kite! It's stuck way up high. Wait! What's that noise? Oh no! A pigeon is stuck in the string! It can't fly away! I have to call the rescue team. Hang on, little sparrow.
Visual scan clear. Brooms Town looks safe today.
Helly, come in. We have an emergency call from Annie in the park.
I'm close by. I'm heading there now to check it out. See them. Oh boy, that bird is really tangled.
Helly says it's a high-altitude rescue involving wildlife. We need a delicate touch.
Roy, you have the ladder. You're the best choice for this. I'm ready. I'll get that robin down safely.
Roy, to the rescue!
Roy! Helly! Over here! Please hurry!
That is very high up, and the branches look thin. The string is wrapped around its wing feathers. If the robin panics, it could hurt itself.
I need to get up there close. Transforming! The ground is too uneven. I can't get stable footing here.
Roy, move to the left. The ground is flatter there. Annie, please stand back for safety.
Stabilizers set. Extending ladder now.
The wind is pulling the kite. It's hurting the bird.
It's too windy. If I get closer, the ladder might shake the branch and scare the sparrow.
The kite has high wind resistance. It's catching the wind like a sail. We need to block the wind.
Helly, you can hover upwind and use your body as a shield to block the wind.
On it. Operation Windshield is a go. Climbing, climbing, almost there.
Quiet mode. We don't want to startle him. It's okay, little guy. I'm here to help. I'm here to help.
This is a complicated knot. My big rescue cutters are too clumsy. I might hurt his wing.
I need precision. Switching to micro laser.
Steady. 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 Whoa! Big gust. Sorry. Holding position. Waiting for the air to clear. I'm steady, Roy. Go for it. Clear. Do it now, Roy.
Just one snip.
Got it. You're free.
He's falling!
I've got him. Diving. Diving. I've got him. Diving. Diving.
Gotcha! You caught him! You saved him!
Great catch, Helly!
Let me check his wing. No broken bones, just a little sore from the string.
He's okay. Look, he can fly.
We can't leave this string here. It's dangerous for other birds. Here is your kite, Annie.
Annie, do you know why this happened? Because I was flying too close to the trees? And the wind was too strong?
Exactly. Kites need big, open spaces, away from trees, power lines, and roads.
And remember, trees are homes for birds and squirrels. We have to be careful not to disturb their homes.
Promise. Next time, I'll go to the big meadow where there are no trees.
Great work, team. Roy, your precision was perfect. And Helly, excellent flying.
I'm the best wind blocker in town!
Stay safe, Annie.
I'm glad the little bird is okay.
That micro laser was the right choice, Roy. Large tools would have been too dangerous.
Thanks, Jin. But I couldn't have done it without Helly keeping the wind away.
Ding! Safety time! Safety time! It's time for today's safety tip. Tip number 1. Never fly kites near trees, power lines, or roads. Always find a wide open space. Tip number 2. If a kite gets stuck, don't climb the tree yourself. It's dangerous. Ask an adult for help. Tip number 3. Be careful on very windy days. Strong wind can pull the kite string hard and hurt your hands.
Robocar Poli Rescue Team, over and out.
I think you made a new friend, Minnie.
Remember, pulling hard makes the knot tighter.
Kite string is very strong. It can cut like a knife if it moves too fast.
MVP of the day, Helly!
Master of Precision, Roy.
Next time, a water rescue.
Be safe and healthy. Subscribe for more.